Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. In my hands is one of my most favorite crafting materials. There's so many uses to it, and let me show you why. The UltraHold by HeatnBond is my favorite of the strengths because even though I do like to sew, I also like to make projects that, you don't really have to sew. Let's say you're not in the mood. It's one of the easiest products to use, honestly. All you do is cut out the shape you need. See how it has a rough side and a smooth side? The rough side gets ironed down first, and then the backing is easy to pull off. You align the fabric where you want it to go, make sure because it is permanent, and iron again. It's that easy. This iron-on decal had lost its stick, so I used the HeatnBond to make it adhere again. I also like to use it with thicker materials like leather. Look at how nice this keychain turned out, and not one stitch was sewn. So if you think you aren't very crafty, think again. All you need are scissors and a heat source. There are so many projects you can make with this UltraHold HeatnBond. Adding decals to clothing, making art with felt pieces, decorating pillows, the list goes on. And it's all thanks because this HeatnBond UltraHold is so easy to use and it works so well. And that's my point of view.